go, I beg now. Why you go dey vex like this? I don't dey beg you since. Oh, na me dey wrong. I beg. You know say you na my very good friend. For this whole village, everybody know say na you be my person. If you leave me now, wetin you gain? Even me, nothing I go gain. I beg. No vex. I no do am again. No vex. Oh, please.
It's okay. I have forgiven you. But you have to promise me you won't do it again.
I dey craze. Something they worry me for it. I don't go do them again. My party.
Again. I know. Again, you have to start wearing the training uniform.
Leave that useless man. I don't know what I do that man. No. I go deal with that man for that office. He don't know me very well. He don't say my head no correct. Mama? Mama, good afternoon.
Mama, good afternoon.
How you doing?
Everything is fine. I was going to your house so that you can help me do something in the house.
You see the talk, what do you want make I do for you? No. Eh, what do you want?
To the house.
I go even cook for our wife, Joy.
Which wife?
The woman where they bring say they won't marry.
That girl will not marry my son.
She has gone?
She has gone back to where she came from. She has gone back to the city. Do you know that girl called me names?
Hey!
She called me a witch. Me Amaka, a witch.
She dey craze.
Why look like?
Thunder go fire am.
Amen.
I take the witch. Wait, where she dey? I make her go deal with her.
She has carried her dead body to the city.
Mama, you dey craze to be a witch. You don't think be witch now.
Oh.
Witch dey find like this. No, don't talk like that. Make her follow you go house.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Mama, make we dey go. I better go do something for her. Mama, she dey craze.
So you mean Ugonna, my brother, joined that thing to fight with you?
Hey, you see your brother? He's going to see war. You see this fight? This fight just started. Ugonna will see war and run. I'm going to show them.
No, my love, see, just relax. I know how to handle Ugonna. I am going to handle Ugonna. Just leave Ugonna for me. So Ugonna have the mind to join that Efule for that me to fight you.
Ugonna, your brother, is supporting pregnancy. He wants people to be impregnating people up and down. From 9, he passed to 7. And he impregnate people. Okay, no problem.
I am not among. I hope you're not planning to impregnate me. I hope you're not planning to do that.
Your brother not support Kenny Emezi. Your brother is not supporting everybody to be impregnate people. I not support pregnancy. So let's. That's not me. I'm only joking.
Let it better be a joke.
Yes, I said it. Idiot! I said it. Look at this fool. You that was fighting another man because of your sister. Now you're standing, chilling, and enjoying yourself with another man's sister. You!
Ugonna, stop it, oh! I don't like this nonsense. You just stop it. Better stop it. Stop it.
Shut up, man. Are you mad?
Stop it, oh! Stop it, oh! I'm just respecting you. I'm just respecting you because you're my brother.
Hey! Now listen, your elder brother wants to talk to you. If I slap you, you will never remain the same again. Now go home. Leave this place this minute before I handle you. Go home!
Come and drag me home, Ugonna. Come and drag me home.
Okay,
See,
yeah?
Ugonna, I am not going anywhere. I am not. Ugonna, so you have the mind to join that me to fight my love, even when you know I'm in love with him. Ugonna.
You don't have respect again, no? Eh? You don't have respect again. So because of this idiot that's not even handsome, you are challenging your brother. You are insulting your brother, eh? Because of this poor rat, you are insulting your brother. If I don't see you at home this minute, eh? What I will do to you, what I will do to you, even heaven and hell cannot say it. Now leave here. I say leave here. Are you mad? Leave here. Start going home. Start going home.
Ugonna, you are trying me. Ugonna, you are trying me. Hey. Ugonna, you see war. You will see war.
Emeka, or whatever they call you.
You will see war.
Emeka, or whatever they call you. Eh? You think it's by babbing punk or by saving bears? If you raise those filthy hands on me again, I will cut it off.
Ugonna, you are trying me.
I said if you raise those filthy hands on me again,
Ugonna,
I will cut it off.
I will deal with you here.
You will deal with me. Oh.
You go see fight, Ugonna.
I'm not going home.
If you try carry my love out of this place, nag me.
I don't want to. I dare you. I said I dare you to challenge me. I dare you to touch me and I will beat you and beat her also.
Ugonna hit my chest.
I said I will do that again and again and again.
My Bobby.
What's that, Bobby?
You hit my hand.
I will hit it again. Go home, oh.
Go Nina.
Go home, oh.
Go Nina. Go Nina.
Somebody will die here.
Where my clothes?
Somebody will die here today. Somebody must die, and that must be you, Emeka.
Where my clothes?
Somebody must die, and that must be you.
I will deal with him.
You think it's by pulling your clothes?
I will deal with your brother.
Now let's see how it goes down. Anthony Joshua activated. I will deal with you here.
Anthony Joshua.
Anthony Joshua. Anthony Joshua. From this video. Anthony Joshua.
Ugonna, leave him alone. Ugonna, leave him.
Hey! No! You! Hey! 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 You!
Hey! Mama, where she put leg? Here. Hey.
Holy Ghost fire, oh! Holy Ghost fire!
Hey, see witchcraft, oh. She sits on this seat.
Yes, she even laid on.
Ah! Eh?
Oh. Mama, wait. You get olive oil.
I used to have it. Who's on that took you to the city?
No, I go my house, go bring olive oil. You can't anoint this thing for you. You want to tell me say that mad girl enter this house? Get God, they insult you.
Daniel called me witch. I'm telling you. Do I look witchy?
You dey craze to be witch. Something they worry that, but Mama, you fuck up. Mama, last, you fuck up. Why you no call me? Why you no call me? Make I take slap, redesign her face for her. She dey craze.
See, there is no need fighting.
Ha!
Because if you see the girl, she's already dead. She's lengele. Don't you see that girl is on a bungee? She's looking for who to die in her hands.
Mama, you don't talk her finish.
I almost beat her, but I changed my mind so that she doesn't die in my
Na
hand.
big ogbanje she be. Because na only ogbanje na go enter person house. They call am witch. When you don't arrange for your fine pikin to marry am.
Oh!
Don't worry, Mama. Everything will be fine. Oh,
thank you.
I dey here. I full ground. Anybody who them be, they craze. Anybody wey talk to you anyhow, wey insult you, call me. Ah, you know them yo. Ha, I go head down. If head no reach, I go give am blow. Me, not try me. Mama, I'm ready to fight your battle. From today. Na me.
God bless you.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yeah, no
See,
problem.
my prayer is for God to give me a woman like you, a good woman that would love my small, fine Ozonna the way you love him and take care of him.
I no need to beg. Mama, I praise God. Mama, I praise God because God na him dey answer our prayer before we even say, God, do something for me. Wetin? You know, see, look your front. Na tree be this. No be human being. Na me na. Mama, I dey here.
You?
Ihe na achọ no ken no can. Mama.
You?
Yes. Allow me to marry your pikin. I go love am. Nothing I no go do for am. Anything. Hey, Mama. Hey.
You want to marry Ozonna? You and Ozonna are like brother and sister.
Ma beg.
Because you're more like a family friend to him. He doesn't see you beyond that. Listen, Ozonna has gone to the city. Besides, he now works in another firm. He has become much more exposed than you. You're not his class. So how would you come if both of you should marry? But that's for doing his way. That carpenter that was asking for your hand in marriage, did he change his mind? He didn't come again?
Ma, you don't see your life. You won't make your pikin marry woman wey don't dey expose. Me, I no dey expose. How you won't make I go marry carpenter? Me, I no fit marry carpenter. Oh. I be nurse, international nurse. We don't travel go places. Me, I go marry carpenter. Mama, no go marry carpenter. Oh. Mama, if you no dey proud of me, I dey proud of myself. I know wetin my mates will never achieve where I don't achieve. I dey very proud of myself. I don't go places. Oh, you know who I be? I don't travel. I don't go worldwide. I don't go international. Wetin dey talk? Mama, me where you see here, I don't go Abakaliki. Mama, I don't go Nsukka. I don't go Oturukpo. I don't go Isiokpo. I don't go Odipopo. Any place where we say it dey happen, I dey there. I dey carry my nose thing, they parade, they help people life. Mama, why they do me like this? Mama, I go help your life, help your pikin life. I no be bad person. Why they do me like this? I no go fit marry carpenter. I dey marry carpenter. I no dey marry carpenter. No problem. Make I dey go house. Mama dey find me.
Babe, I don't know what I would have done if I had lost Uzonna.
You need serious deliverance. When I say serious, big one. Oh, I can't believe you did all that.
I can't also believe I did that. But thank God everything is fine now. I'll be going to see Mama tomorrow to ask for her forgiveness. What do you think I should get for her?
Let me think. If I'm upset, my mom wouldn't know alibi. Wrapper. Yes. Just go to the market and get her a nice wrapper. You know mothers, they love wrappers.
You're right. In that case, I have to go now before the market closes. Uzonna said we'll be going very early tomorrow. When I get there, I will cry, kneel, roll on the floor, and make sure she forgives me.
You really need to do it. Because it's not easy to find one husband.
Talkless of another boyfriend.
Yes, ma.
I've been searching for one since. I can't find anyone, so you better start doing it now.
It's okay.
And if you see one, you can just, your girl is here. But I'm hungry anywhere.
Hey, Mama. This is good news.
Yes, so.
If you find a church, what we've been praying for. Hey.
Yes, Mama, me too. I am happy. And my happiness is that he loves me.
Oh.
At least I was there for him until he made money.
Really? Wait. You mean all that while I was chasing him away? You people were seen secretly?
Yes, Mama.
Mama, right now.
Yes.
Don't
Onyeka is on money.
I have always known it. I've always seen it in Onyeka. Every time I see him, I see money. I knew it would happen.
You can see where
I see you. Hey, that is good.
Thank you, Mama.
So, when is he coming around now so we can prepare for him?
He will come tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, and that is why I said let me go and prepare for their arrival.
I won't let you. Let us go and prepare. So what do we cook for his coming?
Mama, please.
I am very hungry. Is there food in the house?
But you know where the kitchen is. Go in there and see if there's food. Let's discuss the happening matter now.
Yes,
so, like we were saying,
Mama, Mama, wait too. Did I hear you well?
How? Let's talk about the new marriage now. Your own is still now, just go there, so,
Mama.
Nurse, go. Nurse.
I'm bleeding.
what happened to him?
I'm getting so much blood.
He was involved in a fight and they broke his head.
Why did you do that?
Will you shut up and tell her the truth? Tell her the truth that you broke my head. No, she was the one that broke my head because of one useless boy called Emeka. My own blood sister broke my head.
Amara, you did this to your own blood. Is it true? How could you have done such now?
I'm sorry, Nosego. It was a mistake. Please treat my brother. He's my only brother. I don't want anything to happen to him, please.
Come, let me get my food.
No, hurry up.
Okay.
Can I drink water?
Nurse, bring water.
Yeah, devil, don't near me.
Sorry now.
Don't even talk to me. If I get to the house, I will deal with you personally. I will deal. Look up, because of Emeka, he did this to me.
It's okay now. You talk too much. See, your head is expanding already. Sorry.
Ekemma, what is it? Have I not warned you not to farm on this land again?
Hey,
Ekemma,
this woman, what is your problem? Leave me alone, Geraldine. Just leave me alone.
Ekemma.
Look at the time, it's too early for your troubles.
Ekemma, this is my late husband's farm. And I've warned you to stop farming on my late husband's farmland.
You are saying nonsense. You are saying rubbish. Ekemma, this woman, what is your problem? Leave me alone, Geraldine. Just leave me alone.
Ekemma, this is my late husband's farm. And I've warned you to stop farming on my late husband's farmland. You are saying nonsense. You are saying rubbish.
You are saying rubbish.
Ekema.
Geraldine. Look at her. Look at this woman. Look at this woman. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Didn't push you. Fall on it. Didn't push you. Didn't push you. Please stop fighting. Stop fighting. Didn't push you. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Even your children will be ashamed of fighting in the farm. You're fighting in the farm. Eh? She started it. She started it. I'm here on my own farming. And she just walked into this place, started insulting me. She started it all. She started pushing me. What have I done to her? Is it true?
This is my late husband's farmland. It's my husband's land. And I've warned her to stop farming on this land. She refused. You see you.
Iche, I've sent my own. If she comes close to me again, I'll skin her alive.
You will skin me alive.
What kind of no?
Ekema.
Ekema. Look at this. Look at it. Just go, sir. Look at her. Stop. Iche. Get up. Iche. Oh. Sister Lokomba. Iche. Just come close to me. Come close to me again. Ekema. Stop.
Look, Jere, I am aware that the elders are looking into this issue. And not until they finish with their investigation, we cannot get solution to this thing. But in the meantime, Geraldine, allow this young woman to farm on the land so that she can get something to take care of her family.
Iche, you lie. Iche, I said you lie. You a fool. Yes. How can you?
Hey!
You not farm on this land.
Let me continue. You call me a fool.
You a fool.
The elders must hear this.
Let them hear.
The elders must hear
Let
this.
them
You
hear.
call me a fool.
Iche has spoken.
You call me a fool.
Iche has spoken.
You call me a fool. They must say, we shall see. We shall see. Nous verrons. Nous verrons.
Ogo, please now. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to tell anyone. True. I'm sorry.
My concern is, how did you know about it, you?
Well, they were talking about it at Agonwa's salon. You know that salon is our information center. Anything you want to know about in this village, just go there. You will hear it.
So this is how she has upgraded her gossip habit, Abi?
I tell you. She will still come to you to hear from you later. She saw you when you passed by on the bike.
She will come to me. She will not try it. If she tries it, I'm going to pour acid on her.
You see me here? I am not happy at all. I don't get joy.
It's okay. See, let's talk about your marriage. How did it happen?
See person pikin. See how she's sweet. Casey. Good morning.
Yes, I'm so. Good morning.
How you day?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. How was your night?
It was okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Chai. No, nothing happened. No, I say make I buy you more. Make you take and hold belly this morning.
No.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
You're such a nice person.
You know? They not tell you.
No.
Everybody for this hospital knows say I nice. Even me knows I nice.
Ever since I stepped in this hospital, you're be so nice to me.
Mommy, Mrs. Nice. No problem.
Thank you very much.
A career guy you be. You don't brush your teeth this morning.
My feet. Oh. I guess you perceive this.
No, nothing now. Don't kill anybody.
I'm out of toothpaste.
Now you don't tell me.
I don't want to bother you.
You don't need to talk am. I don't tell you say I be nice person and I know say they nice. What be toothpaste? How much? I go buy am for you.
Really?
Ha! I dey come. If I come buy am, you do am, you go chop your food, eh? I dey come. Correct guy. Yes,
Nice girl. Chineke. Ever since I stepped into this hospital, you take care of me.
Good morning. Move this. I won't go buy something for that my patient, Bros Kingsley.
So it has gotten to that, eh? You couldn't even wait for us to come to work together as usual. You ran off and came.
Oh, calm down. I don't understand. This patient is very, very important. I need to take care of him well, so that tomorrow they will promote me. You don't want my promotion in this office. Check and you go there eventually.
He works for you both, so I can stop breaking your hearts. I'll be happy for you, Sean. Oh, look at this when you walked in. I saw you. We both came late.
Eve here had something to tell you. But before then, I would like you to understand that to err is human, to forgive is divine. Please, let's let everything go. Eve, you can tell Mama what you want to tell her.
And if I don't apologize? No. I'm asking you. If I don't apologize, what will you do? Eh? Yeah, Uzo. So, you brought me here to come and apologize to this woman. As what? Deputy Jesus?
Eve.
Hey, call that name with some respect. Hey.
Chineke.
And you? What were you thinking? That evening, Mosu will apologize to you. In your dreams, you better wake up because that will never happen. Witch. Wait, what am I doing in this godforsaken place? Can you please take me out of this place? I said take me out of this place. Oh.
There's a mistake somewhere. Eve.
Mama, what is it? How can you tell me nothing when you are here thinking? Where is Ogo?
She's gone out of the compound.
Mama, do not worry yourself too much about this, okay? Soon all will be well again. if Jane packages herself very well, she can still get married. I mean, she's still young. Soon I will be married to a rich guy as well. When one door closes, another opens. So please cheer up. Please. Please cheer up. Mama, you're still thinking.
Thank you very much for coming. Thanks for checking on me.
It's okay, eh? You'll be fine. Maybe by the time the doctor will come, you'll be discharged.
Okay, thank you. But I just can't wait. I'm tired. I've been looking to see if any of my family member will come around, but I just can't see anyone.
Did you try calling anyone?
I've tried, but...
Bros, I don't come home.
Come.
Hey, go waiting. Waiting they happen for you. Waiting your hand they do for them. Why they touch your leg?
What do you mean by waiting?
I beg, go another place. Now me dey here. I dey here, they take care of him.
I came to check up on him.
No verse. I dey do the checking. Now me be the chief checker of this place. I am checking on him. Don't worry. Go to the next room. That keke man went nowhere. He dey bleed since yesterday night. Go take care of him. I dey here. Okay, madam. They go, now they go. Now me dey here. Now me get this side now. Now me they take care of this side.
She was just checking on me.
Make she no check on you. I dey here. I full ground. I fit check on you where. Make she go check that keke man. That keke man nowhere since. Now me dey here. Bring your brush, make I do paste.
Okay.
Go check on. You go well. Now me they tell you. Now me be nurse council. Anybody who I take care of, we know where. Ha! My brother, the person no go well again. No. That person no go ever well again.
Nurse council, you're such a nice person.
Na gift oh. Na God give
Seriously?
me. Na gift. You never see anything.
Nobody can be this nice.
You never see anything.
Thank you very much.
Better picking. I get up and make you brush your teeth. I help you. I dey here for you.
Such a nice person.
Even CNN knows I'm nice. Don't worry. You'll still know my story later. And then tell her, go say, I dey check on you. I fit take care of you well. You should go for the care and show me.
Very, very delicious. Very nice.
Let me say you don't know me now. Now me, I don't go fit give you something when no dey okay. Enjoy yourself.
I like it. Very sweet.
Enjoy yourself, my brother. Enjoy.
I want to ask you a question. Please don't be angry.
I dey craze no vex. Ask me anything you want ask me. I don't feel vex for you. You're a very special person, you don't know. Yeah, I dey tell you now. You know.
I don't know. Are you married or engaged?
Married.
Yes.
Engaged.
Please don't
No, I'm not there for anyone. No. Marriage or engage or I'm not there for anyone at all. I'm 150% single. Very single.
You're very funny. You know what? Whatever I have in mind, I'll keep to myself right now. Okay? But do you have anyone around that can wash my car?
Are you asking? Don't worry, I will tell the man to wash it.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem. Check your food. Cancel. Doctor wants to see you. Tell the doctor say I deal with patients. I know they see him.
Patient that is already okay.
I
beg you. Is this the only patient in this hospital?
Aproko, they go your way. They are not my fault. Come drag me, come out. It's all of honor. I don't apply for this place. Man, I come up me for my. Oh, no feet. I don't feel come on me.
Don't mind her. She never liked me since I entered this hospital.
Now mad person they do. Now madness they do. I know the kind of person where she be. Now these kind of people they make others believe say we be nurses. Say we don't get respect for people. Leave am. I beg. See, for this place, now only me you go trust.
Really?
Yes, all these people. Now bad people. Some they do juju, some they do so many things.
You mean I'm not safe here?
Now only just carry your heart, give me. As you give me so you don't be okay.
My heart?
I don't be like your heart. Make you just
Now trust.
Okay.
No trust anybody. No only me could take close to.
Okay.
You know like you
know what? Just go and see your doctor. Then later you and I will talk better.
Yes.
Okay.
I will go.
Okay.
No allow anybody enter here.
No, I won't do that.
Not be my work, government. So whether you like or you don't like, you must collect. Everybody listen better not, so don't come again.
So you mean it? He likes women?
Ne. When you see a rich man, also run away. A poor man will be faithful because he doesn't have money to give to other girls out there. But when you will know if he's faithful or not is when he becomes rich.
You are right. You see why I said I won't get married until I see a good man that is rich?
Good man? Ne. There is no good man, no. There is no good man. That's why I prefer poor men. Because they are the ones that will not break your heart at all. They are the ones that will not cheat on you.
That is it. Because they do not have money.
Yes.
See, I will not marry a poor man. I'd rather grow old than marry a poor man. Let the rich man cheat on me. As long as he's giving me money.
No, ne. I don't want that. For me, I am faithful to my man. And he has to return the favor and be faithful to me.
Happier. Leave that thing. Are you going to eat him? Will you eat faithfulness? You are faithful to him because he gives you all that you want. He gives you money. Without money, you are broke. You will not be looking fine like this. Look at the way I'm cha-cha-cha-cha in everybody's eyes. Forget that. Let's go to your house.
My friend.
Let's go.
Good afternoon. Ogo, so you left this house to go and hang out with this gossip?
But Mama, she's not our problem. Leave her now.
She's not your problem, right? She's not your problem. Bia? Nkem, don't you have anything to do in your house?
I do not have anything to do.
Then go and create something to do in your house. Sio, I don't want the next thing now you'll start saying I insulted you. Go back to your house, please.
Onya Asiri, so you're still into this village gossip? Jane, what have I done now? Is it wrong for me to sympathize with my friend over her problem?
Problem? Did she tell you she has problems? Did she tell you? Please get out of my house before I do something nasty.
Nkem, don't worry, Just go. I'll see you later. Oh?
Okay. But think over what I told you, okay?
Please go. I said leave my compound. Biogo, what did she tell you?
Mama, please leave me alone.
Look at this girl. If you like, be following the village gossip around. Don't you lap time?
Radio is blood.
Mona.
Yeah.
Don't you trust me again? I sent them to the village square so that we can have time for ourselves. I asked them to play at least for 3 hours.
This your brain a computer. Très bien. C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Yes. You see these children, they would pretend as if they don't know anything.
Yes.
Meanwhile, they know everything.
Yeah.
They will pretend as if they are oblivious of their milieu. Meanwhile, they comprehend everything that is happening.
Speak that again.
Oblivious.
Oblivious.
Of their milieu.
Of their milieu. That's nice. Do you know the other day, Emeka was asking me about you? Yes, I was shocked.
See what I mean?
He kept asking me, Mommy, why is it that Uncle comes to our house every day?
That is why when we are doing they are sleeping, they to reduce the noise.
Yes. It's because of the way you give it to me.
So that they wake
That one you call doggy.
Emeka, look at me now. Why are you talking like this? Why are you acting strangely? See, I love you and you know it. Because of this same love, I broke my brother's head. And I can still break the remaining part of his head just to prove that I love you so much.
You love me. When was the last time we were happy together? Huh? You don't want us to be happy together again. You know what I mean.
Emeka, but we were happy the other day. See, I want us to be happy together. See, I want us to do this thing now. But I don't want us to do it inside the bush again. What if snake now come now and enter inside this place now? What will we will not run away?
Snake, okay. You want snake to do what I'm doing? Me and snake will be dragging you. Abi? Snake will be loving you, I'll be loving you. Snake will be loving you, I'll be loving you. Be loving me, be loving snake. No man, it will not happen. See, after this one now, we will not do it again. Or anytime we are going to do it, after this one, we are not going to do it in the bush again. I will chase my sisters out. All of them. All of them will go out. No, let's
are you sure?
This final one.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Stop.
Let's go.
Why me? No, what is happening to me? Why is everything falling back negatively? What is happening? Eh?
We didn't do anything. We're female. It is obvious that girl, Osina Millie. That girl is from the marine kingdom. Don't you ever bring her back to this house.
Am I mad? Am I stupid? Mama, you needed to see the way this girl was begging me. With her friend. She was begging, honey, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Yeah? Now, she's just acting strange.
Don't ever forgive her. Don't forgive her. The one that will love you will come. The one that will follow you, that will accept you. Mama,
but how long? For how long will I continue to live like this? This is the second person. How am I sure the third person won't be worse than this?
So don't talk like that. Be positive. Just try.
I'm not being positive now.
See, I don't want you to marry a girl that will hurt you. I don't want somebody that will break your heart. You're my son. You're too dear. You're precious to me. Let us pray. Calm down. Let's pray a little harder. And the good wife will come.
It's okay, Mama. I'll keep praying for the right person to come. Keep hoping for the best.
With God, all things are possible. So relax, calm down.
Mama, Antana Metaka Nebu Alisi.
You say your food.
Oh, this is fantastic. Merci beaucoup, mon amour.
You say stop talking. Eat your food before it gets cold.
Look, I've not even tasted this food. But the aroma that is coming from this food tells me that it will be as delicious and sumptuous as you are.
Be eating first now. Eat.
More and more.
Eat first now.
No, just taste it.
Ishe.
Ladies first.
Mario.
I saw it.
Che, thank you.
This is fantastic.
Iche, sorry. Ndo. Take it easy now.
It's too sweet now. It's not my fault.
Iche, that reminds me. What do you think about the farmland case before the elders? Iche, I'm scared though. You know Geraldine very well. She will do everything, I mean anything, to make sure she takes that land from me. And I don't want to lose that land. Look at me, a poor widow. That's the only thing I can be, farming there, getting small money to take care of my children. I can't keep begging you for money every day. Che, please help me.
Why
I'm scared.
Like this? Why are you talking like this? Not when I am an elder also. Yes. I will ensure that that land is not taken away from you.
Ezioku.
Yes. After all, she has no proof of repayment.
Ezioku.
So leave that to me.
Thank you, Che.
You will get the land, you continue to use it.
What can I do without you? You are the best. No, I don't want you to stress yourself again. Leave it. Let me feed you. Your mona.
Merci beaucoup,
You will teach me this your French, this mona.
You know, when I was in Côte d'Ivoire, I learned a lot.
I don't know what came over me again. I don't know.
It's okay, please. Put yourself together.
Vicky. I am tired. I don't know what came over me. Why would I have acted that way? Why? You know
Baby girl. I know you. This is not ordinary. I trust you. Please. Just calm down. Stop crying. I'm begging you, please. Please.
I'm tired.
You dey mad? Nigga, I ask you dey mad? Wetin dey worry you for head? Wetin go make you dey talk about me for this stage? You dey grace? You wan make I comot your teeth give you? You wan make I comot and show you like this?
Kamso, do you realize that this place is a hospital? And you know we have patients. And you are supposed to be a nurse.
She no be nurse. Why I no go shout? She no be nurse. She carry me dey talk. If I dey with patients in call, shame on you. I know your plan. Your plan is to take over my patient. You know fit. You know like you. You don't understand? So make I tell you, make you not even try to report me for anybody.
Calm your voice, madam.
Why she go report me?
You know we have patients.
Yes, I said what you did.
You don't give me a body. I don't lie.
You see all this nonsense now?
What's going on here, Kamso? Are you mad? Sorry, but I know they mad. Now this girl they find me trouble. Now she they find my trouble for this. Wait till I do them. Anything they're gonna jealous me. Not me create myself now. Wait see. Everything. Okay, now she can't carry me, can't give you. Will you stop this speaking English? What is wrong with you, Kamso?
Ego, what did I tell you about this white she's putting on? In fact, both of you see me in my office right now. I think someone needs to be sacked.
Wait till you talk. Enough it happen! I think enough it happen. See, if they sack me, you don't die. 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 You don't die.
This is strange. Totally strange. Oh. It's okay. All we need to do is to plan on what next to do. Please.
I am confused. I don't want to lose Uzo.
You won't lose him. You won't. Yes, I know he loves you. So don't even think of it. Do you understand? Please. Stop all this. Stop. Just stop. Stop.
Okay. Do you think he will ever forgive me? I don't think so.
Yes, he will. He will forgive you.
What is wrong with me?
Sweetheart, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Stop. Do you want me to cry with you?
No.
Then stop.
Baby, I'm so sorry. I've not been here. I can't forgive myself for not taking care of my love.
This is why I love you. Always concerned about me. Listen, I'm not angry, okay? It's not your fault. I know. I'm only angry with my sister, telling me she will come, but she's not forthcoming. Yes.
It's okay. I'm here now. Your baby is around to take good care of you.
Just like that without a kiss.
So tell me, how have you been managing?
I've been managing one nurse. Her name is Kamso. Yes, Kamso. She had very, very helpful, lively. She took care of me, and I owe her a lot.
Wow. Thank God. And I can't wait to say thank you to her for taking good care of my baby.
You can say that again. You can say that again. So how have you been faring?
I'm fine.
Look at me. I'm here.
You leave yourself.
What are you doing here? What are you looking for? Leave my house. Leave my house.
See. I can understand why you're upset. But why don't you just find out why I'm here first?
I don't care. I don't want to know. I've warned you several times. Don't ever come to my house. Haven't I?
Geraldine.
Don't touch me. You dare not. Are you mad? Don't ever try it in your life again.
See, why are you always like this? Don't you know how to take jokes?
I don't take jokes. I can never ever take joke from somebody like you. I am not part of those widows that you can come and touch anyhow. I'm not part of it. I'm not cut out for it.
Look, Geraldine, let me tell you. You don't know what you stand to gain if you reciprocate.
Shut your mouth!
My kind gesture. See, I want to strongly and vehemently advise that you do reciprocate my gesture because you know my position.
I said shut your mouth! I don't need you.
You have a lot to gain, oh.
What am I gaining? What? With or without you, that my husband's land, I'll get it back. I don't need you.
Okay.
Do I look like somebody that wants you?
Okay.
Get out of my house. I said get out.
I'm only advising you.
I'll pour you this water out.
Okay. But see, what?
Animal. Do I look like one of those widows?
So baby, what time are you having your afternoon injection?
It's most time, but I don't know what's keeping Kamso.
Oh really? So, while we are waiting for it, why don't I...
Meet my fiance.
Now what for you? You know say it's a big joke. That one a joke now. Na your sister. See una nose. Una resemble well.
No.
Na your sister na.
No, she's my heartbeat.
Understand?
Nene, Kamso, the nurse I told you about.
Oh, Nurse Kamso.
Yes.
Oh, really? My baby has told me a lot of things about you. I really appreciate everything you've been doing for him. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is that my injection?
Hope you only your injection. Now your rejection. Are they mad? Me, give that foolish man injection. Are they mad? If you're better, if you're better, I don't molest. See, person where I did do everything for this life. Everything I did do for her. I don't care! What I want to get to jealousy. They're not rich. See, calm down. This one's. See that man go punish. He will die for this. What is it? He will die. Stop! Stop it! Don't even say that again. Remember what the doctor said? I don't care. I don't care. Don't worry, I won't. Go give her. Go give her. If I don't say, I will put rat poison there. Pray for that. Don't that fire.
Uzonna, you now greet me. You greet me, sir.
Uncle, is there any problem?
Well, I don't know what your mother has been telling you, but one thing you must realize is that you are now a man. The unfortunate thing is that you don't regard me as your father now. You must realize that I am now your father, but you are treating me with impunity, and I'm just watching. One day, you are going to crawl and beg me. Mark my words.
Uncle, please. What you're saying now is not relevant. I know I'm meant to come see you. Just that the woman I brought back that I want to marry started misbehaving like the previous one. So I've not gotten myself together.
Uzonna.
Is it funny?
This is just the beginning. Yes, it's just the beginning. You will beg me. Nous verrons. We shall see. Au revoir.
What does it mean by I will beg him? Please, you're the least of my problems now. Come to see you, you're still sitting there.
Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? Person who I dey help. You know see person where I dey help all the time. You know see am.
Can I be honest with you? Can I be honest with you? That guy has not done anything wrong to you. It's not his fault. He has a girlfriend. Can't you see?
Why can't they ask me cost question? Why can't they ask me you don't marry? Why can't they call me sweet names? Why you gonna torture me? Which kind of thing be that? See, may go one more. Go one am for in life. May not even try come close to me. In fact, may not even send me any message because I know go cross that room again. Never.
Chelo, because a man was calling you sweet names, you felt so cheaply for him. It's your fault. No. I have to be honest with you here. It's your fault. No, you don't fall like that. You weren't assuming that he lost you.
I'm not cheap. Now you take the cut eye for me. You don't know how I take that. No conclude.
Hello, sis. Hi. Sorry for disturbing.
No problem.
Come, sir. We need your help.
What's happening?
My sweetheart wants to eat. He said there is a place you normally get food for him. I don't know if you can spare a time to get the food for him, please.
You don't craze before. In fact, craze dey worry you. You dey mad. Your crow don't come out. You dey craze. Something dey worry you for head. Now be a fiancé?
Yes.
Wetin you don fiance give am? Nothing. Make me international nurse wey don go worldwide, go places. Now because you see me for here, now you go open your dirty mouth. They ask me make I go buy food for your boyfriend. Thunder fire you there.
It's not nice. Calm down. What is wrong with you? Why are you talking to her like that?
Better thunder from third heaven. Bless you from head to down. May bless you. What have I done? What have you not done? Hey! Are you not mad? Hey, God, don't suffer. I don't suffer. I have suffered.
Please.
What is wrong with her?
Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Well, let me go and buy it for your boyfriend. Oh, let's go.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know what is wrong with her. Baby, can you imagine that nurse? She was insulting me.
What? Kamso?
I want you to tell me nothing but the truth. What have been going on in this hospital when I've not been around? Tell me! What is happening?
Baby, how do you mean?
Ask this nurse. It's okay. Oga Kensley, please. You know you're not feeling too well. Don't stress yourself. It's okay.
It is not okay. It is not okay. You might have given her signal or you have told her how you feel. That is the main reason why she will insult me like that. Can you imagine?
I never did that. Oh, but why would she behave like that?
Okay, if you don't tell me the truth, this relationship ends here, right now.
Babes, please, don't let this escalate too much. Alright? You're taking it way too far. Okay, listen. Let's just say my friend was just being jealous.
Yes.
That's how she is.
Yes. Oh, I was just talking to her. I just asked her if she was married or engaged. That's all. I cannot hurt to you. Maybe I'm sorry. Yes.
Well, you guys can talk that over later. I actually came to help you get the food you asked for.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Angel. I'm sorry.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sorry. Okay.
Love you.
Thank you, Angel.
Rose, for the past 5 minutes now, I've been asking you what the problem is. You don't want to talk to me. What is it?
Sister, please, come and talk to Mama. This is the 3rd time I'm getting admission into the university. I'm just saying I cannot go because there's no money. Every year it's just the same thing. It's always the same thing. Why?
Rose, why are you sounding like this? Why are you sounding as if you don't know the situation of things now? Okay, tell me. Where do you expect Mama to get that kind of money to pay for your school fees?
Sister, my mates are already in 300 level in the university. With 1 more year to graduate and I'm here. Every year just the same story.
Rose, look at me, your elder sister. I was forced to get married to my late husband. Just for him to be supporting us in this family. Papa is late. Nobody is helping us. Now I'm in the same situation with Mama. I can hardly feed my children, Rose. You will not know the pains I'm passing through. It hurts me that I can't take care of you. It hurts.
It's okay, sister.
Please.
It's okay. I know everything is going to be fine.
Amen.
I'm not going to cry. I'm not crying. I know everything is going to be fine. God is watching. We've been suffering.
Yes. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Oh, yes. Everything will be fine.
God is going to see us through all these hard times.
Yes. Oh, it's okay. Stop crying. Oh, stop crying. You know what? Yeah, that reminds me. I was making an ensala soup. I want to give you some. I'm not crying. I want to give you some so that you take to Mama. Oh?
Okay. Well, I'm going to eat my own, yeah.
You will eat your own. And I know that when you get home, you will still share Mama's own with her.
Yes,
just wait for me. I'm coming.
Okay, sister, but you will still help me.
Even if I will sell my husband's only 1 plot of land, the plot of land he left for me, I will sell it.
Thank you,
to put you in school. Don't worry. You will go to university now.
University.
You will go. Oh, I'm coming.
Can you imagine? Baby, I just wanted to hook her up with my brother Bobby. And just look at it, she has lost it.
I'm telling you. Why don't we hook him up with the other fair nurse? she's good too.
Baby, you're right. To hell with cancer. Yes. If I have not explained myself now, I would have lost my relationship. She would have ruined my relationship just go for a nonchalant attitude. Yes, I woke her up with Bobby, the other fair nurse. That would be better.
Let's go.
Aga Kingsley, here's your food.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Please, I hope you are no longer angry with my friend. That's how she is. She's even like that to me, too. Biko.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay, but I'm not happy with her either. I'm not happy with her. It's just that... can I have your number?
Yes, babe. There's something we need to discuss. Very important.
Okay, then.
Are you going to write it and bring it back to me later? Or?
I'll write it and give it to you.
Okay.
I'll be expecting you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Please, go.
No problem.
Hi, Onyeka. My daughter told me that you have made it.
Yes, Mama. God has richly blessed me.
Yes, so.
Ifadigo. That's why I came, so we begin to do things. Kamemebido.
Oh, them now. And I want to say that I am glad that even after making it, you did not disappoint my daughter.
How? Ma, come on. I can't do that now. I can't. My word is my bond.
That is good to hear. Well, in that case, I am happy. You know, I think we need to talk about something because I don't want any of my children to get into marriage and then come running back home.
Mama, not all men. I am different.
Mama, he's not like that. Okay, then, in which case, we need to sign an agreement that you will not marry a second wife. And, you know, my daughter will be the only one to sit in the front seat of your car.
Mama, I'm from a strong Christian home. And marrying of 2 wives is an abomination.
Mama, he's not like that. Oh, well, I'm glad to hear he's not like that. In that case, I'll need to drop this agreement. You sign for me, put it down in writing, that you will not marry another wife.
Mama.
Just keep quiet. I know what I'm talking about. I don't want any of you to come running home and crying like my first daughter God did.
Mama.
That's such a wonderful husband. She still came home crying.
Mama.
Mama, don't worry. Whatever makes you happy, I will do it. I will do it.
And then I'm going to go and get him something to drink.
You know my choice.
Rosie, me, I don't know. I don't understand. Eh? What are we going to do?
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired. I never even believe that I will not go back to school this year again. Someone will pass exam, but money will be the problem.
Honestly. Eh? I know the worst part. I don't know what is eating my father's money. I don't know. Am I wrong? I don't know what is eating his money. I mean, how can a man have so many female children and you don't have plans on sending them to university? You know the most irritating part? He's expecting rich in-laws. Which rich man wants to marry a girl that is not a graduate? Eh?
Look at you.
I'm even envying you. Eh? Envy what?
Yes, no. Your father should be up and doing. Why is he denying you years of education?
He's up and doing well.
Now look at your brother. See his business field in the city. He's just in the village roaming around.
See now, and you say you're envying me. Envy something else, oh. Envy something else. Because I'm as confused as you are because I don't even understand.
Oh, well, my sister, I went to my sister for her to help me. So she promised she can. She will do something.
She promised?
Yes.
Oh.
I don't have a choice now. I will wait for her.
We have just 1 month. What will I do? Who will help me? Eh?
Jane, what does your mother take me for? Tell me, what does she take me for?
Baby, please calm down. Don't mind my mother. I will talk to her. I promise I will talk to her.
I don't care if you talk to her or not. As it is now, I am tired of this whole thing. It's not going to work. This marriage will not work.
Onyeka, please don't do this. I beg you. Please don't do this. I beg you.
Thank God I have made money. Thank God God has blessed me.
Yes, thank God.
Gone are the days when I was poor. Gone are the days when your mom toys me around. Listen. It is either you and your mother obey my rule or unabowado.
She will.
I am tired.
She will.
Excuse me.
Baby, please don't do this.
Doctor, baby, go and meet your mother.
I cannot do this.
Stop, please.
Onyeka, don't do this. Onyeka, wait, don't obey. Onyeka, don't. Mama!
Amaka! Where is this useless woman? Amaka! Come outside! Come outside and tell me what gave you the audacity to go and harvest those ripe palm fruits in that our land? Amaka!
Who is that?
Come out here!
Not you.
What gave you the authority? What gave you the impetus to go to that farmland behind the village stream to harvest the ripe palm fruits?
Must you shout? Must you shout like a mad dog? Must you shout? You can talk quietly and I can hear you. I am not deaf. So talk gently.
Are you by any means talking to me? What is your business if I shout or if I don't?
Because I'm not their wife.
The question here is, what gave you that power, that impetus, authority to go to that farmland behind the village stream to harvest those ripe palm fruits?
Do you have any problem with that? Because do I need to take permission from you to take what rightfully belongs to me and my son?
Yes. Idiot! Idiot you are!
Idiot!
Who are you to ask me if I have any problem with that? A entitled man like me! What gave you that authority to question me?
What I question you is that palm fruit is ripened and it belongs to my late husband. So I went there to take what belongs to me.
Can I remind you of something, Amaka?
Go ahead.
Your husband was my younger brother when he was alive. And I didn't transfer any title to him. What I simply did was to give him just, little parcel of land to take care of you and his family. And the title, or the titles for all the lands belong to me, still belong to me, his elder brother.
Idiot now. Look at how you judged it and crucified yourself.
You are a fool.
You are a monkey because he's Mwegi. You rightly said now that my late husband was your younger brother. That means he wasn't a bastard. The same father that gave birth to you, gave birth to him. So he has every right to that property the way you do. I know what you want to do. But while I am alive, you, Nduka, cannot do anything. You will not do anything while I'm still alive. Let me remind you of that.
Then be prepared to die.
Don't point at me because you're able to. Don't point at me.
You are hitting me.
Yes.
Then be prepared to die.
I will not die.
Be prepared to die.
You're a wicked man.
Because those lands, although the titles belong to me. Be prepared to die.
We don't have a wife. We don't have anything. People monkey. Easy.
We shall see. Nous verrons. We shall see.
It's possible to Panya and refuse to come back.
À bientôt.
That's why you're speaking at the end.
Au revoir.
We shall see. If you had a wife, you won't be behaving like that. It's because nigga and Panya got talk. Ndi na no ya no sia one. Can I say na monkey mama de bana zo ana. Anyị nwa nwere ndị ga-erokọ na aya na azọ.
Que puto ne mesi konyala. Que puto ne mesi konyala. Isi nife mwewa kwaka. Kobo madu ne menu yao.
Do you think I should call Uzo? Can I call him?
Perhaps he's still upset. Just give him some time, please.
Yes, you're right. I will give him time to feel better. Okay. Don't you think now is the right time to call him? You know, delay can be dangerous, and I'm sure it's more than what I've been looking for another wife for him, and I don't want that to happen.
Okay. You can call him if you want to call him.
No. I will not call him. I will give him time like you said, right?
Whatever you wish. Because Evelyn, you are losing it. You are losing it.
Yes. I am losing it. I've made up my mind to call him now.
Eh?
I can go ahead, right? I should call him.
What do you think? If I say yes, will you change your mind? Or if I say no, will you do it? Do whatever you want to do. If you want to call him, call him. But first, go inside and have a shower. What is it? Just calm down. He will pick your call or he will call you back. Or do you want to have eye blood? Then go inside. Go inside. Give me your phone. Bring it. Give me. Give me the phone. Go inside. I said you should go inside. Oh, love is crazy. Oh Lord.
Before I begin to pull down this your house, what follow? Come out here! Again, ma! What is it? Why are you shouting? He said what? Something that worry for head. Did the man? When did make you touch my mama? My mama and your mates? You slapped me. You won't collect another one? You won't collect another bad one? Something that worry you? Did you come to fight me in my own husband's house? Which husband? The husband where you keep. See, make I warn you for the very last time, Any day when I see this or two left leg for that land again, I will use injection. Finish your life. I will show you fight. Show me. I will show you.
What is happening here? Wait, what is happening here? Leave me alone. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list in this community. Leave.
Wait till they see. Wait till my eye they see so. So now you, Now you they give this one more right? God punish you. When they make her to talk to my mama anyhow, God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you. Sacrilege.